Hi and welcome back. Today I'm taking you along to my birthday dinner at RH Rooftop in Palm Beach, Florida. I'm going to be sharing a review on the menu and restaurant. In case you don't know, RH is a furniture store that houses a restaurant that has a variety of dishes to choose from. The restaurant is underneath a glass and steel atrium and has a beautiful fountain that you can hear as you eat. If you want to make reservations, be sure to do it ahead of time. So come along. Hello everyone. So welcome back to today's video. I am at RH Rooftop and this is in Palm Beach, Florida. I brought you guys here before, not to the same restaurant, but you guys have seen Palm Beach before. In my videos, I took you all around Worth Avenue, and today I am celebrating my birthday and I came here because I saw this place in pictures. I wanted to go somewhere else, but last minute we decided to come here. But I really wanted to come to this restaurant because what drew me in were the pictures. They have this beautiful terrace inspired, and it has trees, and it is just phenomenal. It really reminds me of Spain, and I am here celebrating my birthday, and I wanted to give you guys a little tour of everything so that you guys can hopefully come to the restaurant if you're in Palm Beach. For the table has appetizers, then you have the option of getting a salad, then you have the entrees. The sides are separate, and then at the end you do have the option of choosing the cocktail that you want or any type of drink.
You make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, like the air. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend.
So this is my little appetizer while the food gets here. I have grapes, I have bread, prosciutto, and cheese. This looks delicious. So yeah, looks very good. Oh, and I'm having it with a Coke, and this is honey on the cheese. Okay, that looks really yummy. Would you guys eat cheese and honey? Let me know. Also, I am here with my gorgeous sister-in-law. She's the one who's been taking my pictures and content for social media. She took courses on it. She's an expert. So thank you, Hillary. I know you're going to be watching this video at the end, and you are the best. And then this is Sandy right here. Thank you, Sandy.
The one and only.
The one and only.
Boy, can't you talk to me? It's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kissed me slowly and had me in your arms?
So I wanted to share something super funny that happened. So Sandy, he didn't find, this was on Hillary's plate, and he thought it was a tomato. That looks like a pepper, like right away. So he thought that it was a sweet pepper. He bit into it, and
That was not a wise idea.
super spicy, like super spicy. I think I cried more than what he cried when he bit onto it. It was so funny. It's never funny whenever I say it, but yeah, it was funny at the moment. Okay, so I just had dinner. I didn't eat the salad. I ate half of the salmon, and the majority of what I ate was just carbs, pure fries. The steak that Sandy ordered was incredible. That thing tasted so good. And then the fries that Hillary ordered, they had truffle and they had cheese in them. And I just got an idea for a recipe because they were so good I have to eat them again. But I would say that the also, yeah, the mashed potatoes here, Sandy. So yeah, so the mashed potatoes were also good, but I think I would give the actual entrees, I would give them a 10. I think they were really good. That steak was really yummy. That steak was delicious. The salmon was good, but then again, I just started eating fries and then that was about it. So now we're gonna have some desserts. So something very interesting that you should know about this restaurant, if you're planning to come, is that I made reservations ahead of time. I made my reservations, I believe, over the weekend. Today is Saturday, and I probably made them last Saturday. I called and I made the reservations by phone. They're very nice here when they pick up the phone. That's always very good. And yeah, I made the reservations over the phone, and then I came here. They have valet parking, but you could pay with a credit card because sometimes, you know, you don't have cash to pay for valet. But they do accept credit cards, and it's only valet. As I showed you guys in the beginning, you have to walk through the actual furniture store, and then you come all the way up, and that's where everything is. I like it here because it's quiet. I love the fact that I was able to bring Cheyenne, and that for me is very important because he goes with me everywhere. When I travel, he goes with me. He stays with me in hotels. He's always with me. So the fact that he's welcomed here, he has his little stroller and he has his food and drinks. He doesn't mess with anyone. But I really love and respect restaurants that are animal friendly. Okay, enough chat for now. I'm gonna show you guys the dessert, which is an ice cream. They also had chocolate chip cookies, but I made some chocolate chip cookies.
The dessert is very limited. I would
Oh,
like
yeah.
to say that.
So Sandy would like to say that the dessert here is very limited. They had chocolate chip cookies and they had ice cream. And the ice cream that we chose was the caramel gelato. And they also had, I think, mango ice cream.
Yeah, I didn't hear anything else after she said caramel.
Yeah, so that's what we ordered. But yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you loved it and you want for me to continue doing more videos like this one, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe before you go. Leave me a comment and I will see you soon. Bye.
You make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, like the air. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Oh, 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 oh. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile.